Hello and welcome back to the Jimbo EM No Pants channel, where no, we're not wearing any pants, and no, we won't show you because we ain't got nothing to prove. I know it's been a while since I made a video. Things are happening in the world. You know what I'm talking about. So this video is going to be a little bit different. As like two of you know, I'm a barber by trade. But not only am I a barber, I'm a barber stylist, which means I can do color processing. I know. I'm impressed too. Anyways, I found out there's this stuff called eyebrow tinting where you make your eyebrows darker. It sounded like something that I'd like to provide for my clients, but I'd figure I'd test it out first. And since we're all stuck inside and I have no one else to test this on, I volunteer as tribute. So let's get this started. I'm using this product called Refectosil. I got it at one of those professional supply warehouses. There's a bunch of different shades it comes with, but today I'm going to go with the natural brown, as you probably read right there. I know it doesn't look like I need to darken these babies up, but hey, if it works on me, it'll work on anyone. And if I look like a clown afterwards, well, not much has changed. So let's get started. So, first things first, we're gonna open the box. Find the direction, drop the directions. Find the directions, covered in hair, my life. So they say to mix 3/4 of an inch of this into what I'm deeming the adorable. I also went out and got myself one of these, and for those who don't know what that is, it's actually for mascara application, but I think it's going to work great for what we need it for today. Then they said 10 drops of their 3% 10 volume oxidant.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright. Stir vision. Oh man, this is not stirring very easily. And just for your guys' entertainment, I'm going to be trying to use the camera and the screen on it to apply this to my eyebrows. Figured that'd be entertaining. Are you not entertained? Okay, I think that's mixed enough. I guess we'll find out. Get my hair out of my face. So we're gonna take some just regular hand lotion. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do this in the camera. Oh man, that's a lot of lotion. Go on the places that I don't want to color. So my face, and this will help protect my skin from the color so I don't stain my, ow, right in my eyeball. So I don't end up staining my forehead or the area around my eyebrows. Alright, well I guess that worked. Got my paper towels all set up because I don't want to make a mess. Alright, so like I said, first try. Let's see if this works. Oh, yeah. James Charles is quaking. What I really wanted to focus on is these outer parts of my eyebrow, because that seems like the lightest part. Man, I hope this works. Luckily, it doesn't take too long. It says there's like a 5 to 10 minute wait. And you know what? We're just gonna send it. We're gonna do 10 minutes. What are they gonna do? Sue me for having too dark eyebrows? I don't think so. Oh my goodness. Do I look even? Do I look insane yet? Do I look even? Tell me in the comments. I'm sure you will anyways. Now, this is a permanent color, but it shouldn't be just coloring it this. Like, it shouldn't just look like this afterwards. It should look pretty natural. And that's kind of what I'm going for, is more of a natural look than a lot of these people just like one color on their eyebrows and it just doesn't look natural. We'll let this sit for 10 minutes because, you know, we're doing it to them. And these look ridiculous. Oh man, I really hope this works. If you're enjoying this so far, I don't know why you wouldn't be. Go ahead and give this video a like, and yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. I'll be back in just a minute, see if the eyebrow thing worked. Cross your fingers. Also, if you like this kind of content, like, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make more. Not eyebrow stuff. That'd be weird. But just more of the stuff that has to do with my industry. And go ahead and give me some things to do while all held up in the household of seeing things that you want to see. I'd love to give them a shot, and it's not like I'm going anywhere. All right, BRB. Can you do that with your eyebrows? Can you move your eyebrows? Comment down below. Just leave all the comments. Okay, hear me out. I don't hate it. Might be a little dark, but I think it's because I left it on for the longer time. So now I know. If you aren't sick of leaving comments already, go ahead and tell me what you think. Is it too dark? Does it suit me? Maybe next time we try a lighter color for the same amount of time? Maybe the same color for less time? I don't know, but this is why we experiment. Isn't science fun? As always, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Here after this video goes up, I'm going to be cutting down my beard stream video, no pun intended, to a watchable length. Make sure to stick around my channel if you missed that stream. Hope you're all staying safe and healthy and washing your hands. If you feel like you want to help out the world in this time of chaos, I'm going to link a video by JACKSEPTICEYE'S down in the description where he talks about his live stream he's going to be doing on the 7th of April. He's going to be teaming up with Tiltify for one of the biggest coronavirus live stream fundraisers in the world. So definitely tune in for that. If you can help out, please do. And I know I'm not one of the biggest channels in the world, but I feel if you haven't seen it yet, then definitely go check out his video. I'm hoping that he can get more people to his channel. I know I'm not going to bring that many, but please go check it out. Tiltify, by the way, if you didn't know, is the same company that I used for my beard shaving fundraiser. But yeah, if you can help out, please tune in to his live stream on April 7th. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it won't be in 2 months again. Bye.